In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can easily fix display problems here on your Nokia Android TV and what you can do if you have, no picture here on your TV. Okay, for the first, what we can try to check is that we, try to unplug everything. So try to unplug your HDMI devices, your USB devices and everything else. So sometimes these devices block, the picture from your TV. So what we want to do is to fully close everything here. Okay, and what we also can do is that we can try to unplug also the power cable. So unplug the TV, wait like 1 minute and then plug it in again. This is only to reset your PC, and most of the time this helps to fix the display problems. So what we also can do if we have like no picture or something, then we can look here and go into the home menu, and then we go here on the input button. So click on this input, and here we can select the right input. So if you want to watch HDMI, then make sure that you here also select HDMI. So this is really important. Okay, and after that, what we also can try to do to fix the display problems is that we go on settings here, and here in the settings we can go like on device preferences, and here we should go or can go on picture. So and here we can change the picture settings. If you can't change it here, then you have to go like on the menu button or the settings button, and there you will also find the picture settings. So in here make sure that you go all the way down, and here we can easily reset the picture settings to default. Click on yes, and this is also really important. So and if everything of this doesn't help, then we can also try to reset the TV, or we can try to do a software update. And after that, your display problem should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.